everyone, how are you doing? I just thought I'd go through a few of my skin saviours that I've been really enjoying over these rather tricky few weeks. My skin has become very dry and dehydrated, and I sort of didn't really know how to address that initially, and then kind of thought, right, now I've really got to change my routine. So much more exfoliation and much more hydration. If you want to know about more of that in detail, let me know underneath and I can go through my morning and evening routine with you if you would like. But there are just a few products that have really made a difference. I've been trying lots and lots of sheet masks, and this one by Soilista is just fabulous. It's only about £7. It's a really good price point, but it contains 25 ml of serum and hyaluronic. It's packed full of goodies. And obviously when you wear a sheet mask, you know, the understanding of a sheet mask, the premise of a sheet mask is that it's very delicate pressure over your face, helping the product to penetrate your skin better. And also I think it really helps you take a minute to lie down and to relax and to have that kind of complete absorption of product. But I've used this in the morning and in the evening. And you know when you use a product, especially in the evening, and you're like, it's really, really nice. And you wake up in the morning, you're like, well, I just really can't feel any different. You know, I've dried out like a prune overnight. I didn't with this, and I've just bought myself a stack more of them. They're really, really good. So if you like a sheet mask and you want hydration to your skin, this is a great option. I will do this for a treat, but I'm not very good at sitting down. So the reason is I can't walk around the house with a sheet mask because it just falls off and the kids are a bit like, what the heck? So I've been using cream masks, and I mean, I pretty much use masks 4 or 5 times a week. And obviously I'm lucky because I've got quite a lot to test at home. But there are ones that you can get, especially from Beauty Pie, that are really good value. But the one that has been brilliant for this time has been Ren. This is a brilliant mask, and it's from the range Evercalm. Now, Ren have been really, really generous, and they've been donating lots and lots of this mask and many different parts of the range as well to our NHS workers, because this is almost like David, the ambassador from Ren, told me, he said, it's a bit like taking Nurofen for your skin, Caroline. It's just really anti-inflammatory because of the white mushroom and arnica in it. Now, it's great for eczema and irritated skin. It's not going to solve anything. I mean, eczema is one of those things that you continually have to get on top of. But it is definitely very calming and soothing. And I actually sent one to my mum, and she's really enjoyed using it, and she's got really sensitive skin. It's very hard to actually find out what annoys my mum's skin, but she often comes up in blotches and things, and she's really enjoyed this. So yes, brilliant mask, anti-inflammatory, great for sensitive skin, and I just pop it on in the morning and wear it when I'm eating my breakfast, and then when I come to do my makeup I just rinse it off, pat it down, put on my moisturiser, and then I just feel my skin is more hydrated. I've been through so many hand creams trying to find the right one, and do you not find sometimes they feel really occlusive, like they just feel sticky and heavy, and I just want to rinse them off again? Well, Balance Me is the brand that I've gone for. It's a natural brand. You can get it in supermarkets, which is helpful. Get it in Waitrose. It's 100% natural. It's very lightweight. It's very hydrating, but it just dries lightly, and I don't know why or what reason that is. Because it's nice and rich, but I've got 2 of these now. I've got one by the sink and then one by my bed, because my cuticles and hands are obviously very dry. This has just worked for me. It might be of interest to you, and if you have other ones that you can share that aren't sort of invisible gloves, I'd love to know too. In fact, any of the products that I'm sharing with you, if you've got things that you wouldn't have normally used that you can share, then share with everyone, because it's just a nice conversation, isn't it? My new favourite eye cream is Autocorrect by Sunday Riley. This has a wonderful, I'm actually going to do it over my makeup. You need like half a pump. Do not waste this because it's a pricey product. But when you put it on, you get this lovely kind of radiant effect to it. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it. So you can put it on over makeup if you want to as well. But obviously it's much better to put it on clean skin. And this is my morning eye cream. Now, I'm not really a fan of eye creams. I've had my Kate Somerville one, which I've used for donkey's years, the line release one, because the only way I can describe it, and I'm sure I've said it to you guys before, it's like an air pump for under my eyes, because it really boosts the skin so it just looks less dehydrated. But this has got a lovely little shimmer in it, and yeah, makes me feel happy, and it also really stimulates the skin. And when I first put it on, I was a bit like, oh no, and then it's like calmed down, but it just kind of revived my eyes. So yeah, you know, we talked about the eye thing going on. It's really quite weird. It's quite nice to have just a little vibrancy underneath it. So I'm really enjoying that. So thank you so much, Sunday. 2 more products. Kate, we're talking about Kate Somerville. Now, this is a very new launch, and what great timing for Kate to launch a product like this. And we actually had, about 3 weeks ago, I had a Zoom group session with her talking about this new range. I mean, it's brilliant. Delicate. I mean, she's got the best name for her products. Delicate Recovery Cream. And it's a really beautiful, super rich cream. And if your skin is feeling irritated by anything, then you need to stop using any of your actives, stop the vitamin C, stop the retinol, and just go and use a product like this, or use a product that has nothing in it. Now listen, there's obviously products that are much cheaper than Kate's. This has been developed for super stressed skin that she wanted to use primarily when she designed it on her clients after maybe some laser or some peels in her clinics, because she wanted to put something on the skin that would really hydrate it, really protect the moisture barrier of the skin, and she didn't have anything that was her own. So it's taken about 3 years to develop this product, just coming out now. And as we all are very aware of, there are a lot of people who have very stressed out, irritated skins, and as we also find ourselves going back to work wearing masks, we also might find that we have that issue. So it's very important to go back to basics. I've talked about this on previous films, and this, if you want to spend the money on it, is a very decadent, beautiful cream. And actually the people that she had on the Zoom link suffered greatly from eczema, which she is a sufferer herself. And there's 3 products in this range. There's a serum and the cleanser and the moisturiser. Now the serum is lovely, it's packed full of omegas. The cleanser is also lovely, but this for me was the standout product. So if you wanted to choose one from the range, I would highly recommend this. But yeah, read up about this product, because she creates amazing skincare, and she's had issues with her own skincare, so it comes very much from a personal project. So yeah, super stressed skin, lovely. Delicate by Kate Somerville. And last, but by no means least, is this husband and wife brand from America. I think it's Seattle, but excuse me if I've got that wrong. It's a very clean brand, so it's cruelty-free, it doesn't have any preservatives in it, no synthetic products. It's a beautiful mix of very hard-working botanicals. Now, it's called Orchid Facial Oil. They have a number of facial oils. This is for rejuvenation, and it's the fragrance in this. I actually want to get this as a perfume. So please, Herbivore, if you're listening, please tell me what this fragrance is. You've got so many wonderful things in this product that I'm not sure which one is actually the fragrance. I'm sure I should write to them, I should ask them, because it is so wonderful. And maybe in a future film I will just talk to you about the essential oils that I've been burning and the oils that I put on my wrist. I find these fragrances and aromatherapy really beneficial right now, because I would love to learn how to meditate. I would love to learn how to calm myself down, but it's just not who I am. But I really react to gorgeous scent. And I've been using this as a top coat on top of my skincare, on top of my makeup, or just for a little bit of facial massage. I had a wonderful treat on an Instagram live I did with a very successful, well-respected facialist called Nicola Joss, and she taught me some great movements. I mean, way out of my league to what I'm normally doing, but it's just so nice because we hold so much tension in our face. Facial massage is lovely. I could show you my little routine if you like. Totally up to you. So lots of ideas, hopefully lots of inspiration. Share with me what you like. I enjoy to know what floats your boat too. And in the meantime, take care, look after yourselves, your friends and your family, and much love. Oh, and I'm sure you're going to ask, and I haven't told you, what makeup I'm wearing. So the makeup is what I used for my Easy Nude makeup, which was a week or so ago. And I used Max Factor's Velvet Matte. Now this shade is Flame, and I've got it obviously on my lips. And it's just such a really beautiful watermelon colour, which just brings me joy. And because it's matte, well, it's like a semi-matte really, because it's just a comfortable matte because it moves. It's not, doesn't suck your lips out. It just feels really, like it says, velvety on my lips. It stays put. And then I just put a little bit on my cheeks just to take away the nudie look and kind of to balance it with my lipstick. Anyway, I just thought I'd add that to save you having to ask the questions. All right, bye for now again.